Today we're going to show you how to create this cute little cutlery pocket shaped like an egg to brighten your Easter brunch table. It's quick and easy to make and is a great way to use up scraps. We've chosen to embellish ours with a Wendy Williams pre-cut wool kit for a fresh touch of spring. Download and print a copy of the egg-shaped template from the description box and trace it out onto your fabric, then cut out all the pieces. We'll be doing our applique on piece B in the pattern. Fold the piece in half, wrong sides together, and finger press it to find the halfway point. The applique will be done on only one half of this piece, with the flat folded side being on the top. We'll be using this kit from Wendy Williams that includes pre-cut wool pieces by WonderFil, which will save a lot of time cutting out the applique pieces ourselves. It includes instructions on how to assemble it one way, but we'll be changing it up and rearranging it in a new way to have some fun. To applique the pieces down, I'll be using this 12-weight wool and acrylic blended thread called Elana. The thread colors are designed to pair perfectly with the wool fabric in the kit, so the applique will look seamless when stitched down. To save time, I'll be appliquing the pieces on a sewing machine. However, you can also do it by hand if you prefer. I will be recutting a few of the larger circles in my kit to turn them into egg shapes for my Easter-themed piece. Thread your machine with the wool thread. In the bottom, I'm using this bobbin pre-wound with an 80-weight thread called Deco Bob. This fine bobbin thread will give me flatter seams, especially when using the thicker wool thread in the top. I'll also slide some tearaway stabilizer behind the fabric before sewing. In the machine settings, select the straight stitch and stitch a scant 1/8 inch inside the wool piece. Follow each applique piece carefully. The very small pieces like the beak and the eggs can be appliqued by hand. When your pieces are all appliqued down, you can now embellish them however you'd like with some hand-embroidered stitches. The thread I'll be using for this is a pearl cotton called Eleganza, and it comes in 8, 5, and 3 sizes, so you can add all kinds of texture. Some simple French knots, whip stitches, or back stitches will go a long way to make your design pop. When the design is looking perfectly embellished, I can now start sewing the pieces together. I'll be replacing the Elana wool thread in the top with a spool of Deco Bob, the same thread we used in the bobbin. This will give me flatter, cleaner seams to construct my pocket. Fold the pocket piece in half with the embellished side up and place it on the lower half of one egg piece. Place the other egg piece face down on the embellished piece and pin all around. Stitch a 1/2 inch from the raw edge to join all 3 pieces together, stopping your stitching 2 inches from your start point to leave an opening for turning. Before you turn your piece right side out, trim the seam allowance and clip notches around it so that the curve lies smooth. Press the edges, then hand stitch the opening closed. Let us know in the comments section below how you chose to decorate your pocket, or what video you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, or hit subscribe for more great tips and tutorials. We'll see you all next time.